Let's think about it. Almost every business has a common expense: waste cardboard. But what if I told you that you could turn this ongoing expense into a strategic and profitable resource? In this presentation, we will discover exactly how to do that with the HSM ProfiPack P425. If your business is in logistics or e-commerce, this question will sound very familiar to you. Those massive piles of cardboard that accumulate every day. You have two options in front of you. You can either keep paying disposal fees to get rid of them, or you can make a smart move and turn them into a real opportunity for your business. Here, you can see exactly what that opportunity looks like. An ordinary box that was just seen as trash is now transformed into a first-class filling material that will wrap and protect your products during shipping. And do you know what the best part is? All of this happens entirely within your own facility, without a single extra penny of cost. So, what is the technology that makes this amazing transformation possible? Let's take a closer look at this innovative machine, the HSM ProfiPack P425. Yes, here it is, the ProfiPack P425. Even at first glance, you can sense its industrial strength and how robustly it's built, can't you? Let's make this clear. This is not a hobby device you can put on your desk. It's a true industrial-grade solution designed for heavy-duty, continuous operations. In the industry, it's most commonly and widely known as a cardboard shredder. Its basic function is extremely simple and clever. It takes used, useless waste cardboard and, by applying a special punching and embossing process, turns it into a perfect protective filling material for your shipments. At this point, I want to highlight an important detail. You may hear different names for this machine on the market. For example, you might hear it called a cardboard shredder or a corrugated cardboard processing machine. In fact, sometimes it's even referred to as a waste cardboard recycling machine. But the essence is this: the ProfiPack P425 is a complete solution that combines all these functions in a single professional body. So, whatever your need may be, this machine is exactly the answer you're looking for. So, what's under the hood of this machine that looks so robust? How does this industrial power and performance come to life? Now, let's focus a bit on the working principle of the machine. The process itself is surprisingly simple. Everything happens in just 3 easy steps. First, you place the cardboard into the wide 425mm entry slot. Second, you adjust the width according to your needs using the handy ruler on top. And third, you watch as the machine produces a flexible cushioning mat ready for use in just seconds. This is exactly what operational efficiency means. The real secret behind the machine's incredible power and long-lasting structure lies right here. Cutting cylinders made from induction-hardened solid steel. This special engineering detail puts ProfiPack in a completely different league from other similar products on the market. So what does this technical detail actually mean for you in practice? It means this: these cylinders are so robust that even small metal pieces like the staples on cardboard boxes can't cause them the slightest damage. In other words, for you, this means uninterrupted operation, minimal maintenance costs, and maximum reliability for years to come. Of course, industrial power only makes sense when it is combined with complete control and safety. The ProfiPack P425 offers an extremely easy and safe working environment for operators of all levels, thanks to its simple and intuitive control panel with LED indicators and the large, prominent emergency stop button designed for immediate intervention. In summary, this is a true industrial machine, suitable for heavy-duty use in every detail. It has an industrial-grade motor designed to operate continuously under intense workloads. It features stable wheels with parking brakes that allow you to easily move it wherever you want in your warehouse, and it offers the flexibility to adjust the volume and density of the filling material you produce according to your needs. All of these features make it an excellent investment, even for the most demanding industrial conditions. We've seen the technical specifications of the machine, great. But now we come to the most crucial question. What does all this mean for your business, for your balance sheet? What is the strategic advantage of this investment? This slide summarizes the entire transformation in a single frame. On the left side, there's a very familiar picture, isn't there? You spend money both to buy new packaging material and to get rid of your waste cardboard. In other words, it's a constant cycle of expenses. On the right side, however, is the new order brought by the ProfiPack solution. Production of packaging filler material in your own facility at zero cost. In other words, you are turning a cost center into a resource generator. Let's take a closer look at the difference. In the traditional method, cost is an ongoing operating expense. With ProfiPack, this turns into a one-time capital investment that pays for itself in a very short time. Waste management is no longer a center where you spend money, but becomes a resource that generates value for you. And perhaps most importantly, it makes a tangible contribution to your company's sustainability goals, aligning your operations with the zero waste principle. Here is the numerical equivalent of efficiency, a processing capacity of exactly 120 kilograms of cardboard per hour. Do you know what this means? It means that even on your busiest shipping days, you won't experience any shortage of packaging materials, and your operations won't be interrupted for even a moment. This is not just a nominal capacity, it is a real, proven industrial strength. Of course, these are not just our claims. The experiences of users worldwide, like Italenki, confirm exactly this. This quote perfectly summarizes the powerful dual benefit offered by the machine, saving money while also being more environmentally friendly at the same time. Yes, let's start wrapping things up. Let's summarize one last time why the ProfiPack P425 is such a smart investment for today's modern businesses. Look, this machine is not just a tool for operational efficiency, but also a symbol of your company's environmental awareness and modern vision. It is a concrete, practical, and truly effective step taken on the path toward an ambitious goal like zero-waste packaging systems. So, let's quickly repeat the 4 main strategic advantages we should keep in mind one more time. First, it radically reduces costs by producing free packaging material. Second, with instant production, it maximizes operational efficiency. Third, with its heavy-duty structure, it provides you with uninterrupted service for years. And fourth, by turning waste into a resource, it makes your business model much more sustainable. And now the final and most important question is coming to you. Tomorrow, when you go to work, look at those piles of cardboard in your warehouse that you see as a daily cost item and ask yourself this. Is your business ready to switch to this smart and sustainable solution that turns waste into a resource and costs into profit?